Hey guys, we are back working on the van, and today we are actually really lucky. We have a couple of friends coming over to help us. Anne and Truls, you will meet with them later.
Hoping to get the installation done, both in the tailgate and at the side of the car. And of course Benedicta always has some other projects she's gonna work on. And Sulu is enjoying this place. This is generally how messy it looks when we were working, and the progress has been made, so that's nice. Now it's time for lunch. Keep everyone happy. Some coffee, some chocolate, some cookies, and yeah, start on the insulation. We're well into this working day, and here's a quick sit rep. So we have painted back here, we have stripped out the sofa, we have made insulation into the wall, there's insulation in the hatch back here. The ladies are working on these super custom cup holders.
To compare, you see the old ones.
We have the exclusive, unique ones now. Me and Truls were up front, taking out this old mat, which I'm sure has been there for like 34 years straight and is filthy. And I'm doing the floor, and also, of course, we'll be adding the sound deadening materials on the floor. So yeah, it's been productive so far.
We're back working on the van. What else? So we got quite a bit of work done yesterday. The car looked like a complete chaos when we left it yesterday. Simon is working inside of the van and I'm gonna paint our newly made table. I'm gonna paint it black underneath, and on the top I'm gonna paint it with a clear coat so it's easier to keep clean. So what are we having with the coffee? Is it chocolate or
No,
engine cooler?
it's an engine cooler, and it's the best combo. If you haven't tried it, you should. This is for another time.
No, bring that back. So I've been working on these cup holders, as the old ones were rather ugly. Something a bit more sleek. Couldn't find anything online, so I figured I'd just try to make some out of materials we already had. So this is the result. Let's test them. I'm happy with that. Okay.
Well done.
Thanks.
Today we've got something quite exciting in the mail. This box. Let's take a look. This is the cover for the tailgate. This is something I've been looking forward to install for a long time.
Next on the schedule is to fix the tailgate cover. As you can see, it is right onto the insulation here, so we need to get this covered up, and we have ordered a new cover as the old one got kind of damaged when we took it off, and it was really old, and yeah, it was time for a new one anyway. So the reason why I'm that's dirty. We're gonna apply some stickers that we bought last year but never had time to actually put on there, so now it's finally happening. Now it's all done and you know what to do. Subscribe and follow.